How to add email subscription to your Wix website. So here I'm just going to click on add elements, and we want to click on the search tool, and we're going to search for subscribe form. I will show you how you can set this up. So you will see this subscribe form here. If we click on it, then we can choose one of the different designs from the subscribe forms that Wix gives us. I am just going to drag and drop the very first one that I see. And here's how we set it up. So it is going to look like this. It's fairly clean, but if you want to change some design options here, we can click on this design button and we can make it purple. We can make it pinkish, orange, yellow, whichever design you would like. And if it stacks up like this, we can just enlarge it a little bit. And also, how do we actually set up the form settings? We can click on this button right here, and we can manage the subscribers view submission tables. Or if we go to settings, we can change this list. So join our mailing list, we can change it to join us, for example. Email notifications, so if somebody signs up, we can get email notifications sent directly to our email. And once they submit their email address, then we can thank them. So for example, great to have you. And payment, here you can accept payments on your form, but for the subscription list we're not going to accept payments because they're just going to subscribe to our newsletter, for example. We can add different rules, and we can also add a new field here from this option. So add new field, first last name, we can add this. So as you can see, email, and now we have the first name added here. So you can add a CAPTCHA to your email form if you want them to confirm that they're human. Phone, address, but that's a little bit too much for an email subscription. And anti-spam, you can also add the anti-spam, like I told you, just the CAPTCHA. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.